Isabella. Today we'll be doing arts and crafts. Remember that haul video that I did? Dollar Tree Haul! Well, when I was talking about the video that I was going to make stuff with the crafts, here it is. And there's a lot of things that you haven't seen before. So let's get started. Okay guys, so the first craft you will need is a blank t-shirt, some felt hearts, you can use whatever kind of hearts you need, and some paint, a bag, and you like cut it in like a neat rectangle. So you'll need a small kind of, it's like a paintbrush, but you dab a heart with it. So get your paint and dab a little bit and like use it on any one of the hearts. You need to get a lot of paint because, well, I don't know if you can do it with a little bit of paint. So you'll need a lot of paint, or maybe a little bit of paint if you're not a big fan of a lot. And you take the heart out and you'll get like a cutout of a heart. And here's the finishing product. It has a little pin on it, but nobody cares about that. So you can wear it for Valentine's Day, and also you can give it to a friend. I want to wear it right now. Okay guys, so the next craft that we're going to do, you're going to need a mason jar. I'm using the one with the golden top. It's kind of tight. You'll need straws, pink, and some of this hot chocolate mix. Okay guys, so the second craft is hot chocolate. So first thing you're gonna do is roll up your hot chocolate mix. Why? But you don't really know why. And like use one of the stamps. And I'm gonna put a stamp on my top, but you can do whatever you want with it. Yeah. And the next thing you're gonna do is The next thing you're gonna do though is put candies in 1,000. Put candies in your mixing jar. These kisses are good. Okay guys, so the next thing you're gonna do is add a stamp. And like put a straw in it. But first, I'm gonna put a heart on it. I'm gonna put a heart on the felt. So you have to take off the felt for this. If you don't do that, if you don't do that, you'll have to use the glue. You have to use the glue. So you have to take off the felt. It's so cute. So make sure to take off this. You have to make sure to take off the little covering, the wrapping paper. It looks like wrapping paper. If you take the stick out and you like do this and you hang on to it, it won't really work as a gift, but that is the second craft. Third craft that we're gonna do is So what you're gonna need is Valentine's Day socks, tissue paper, a mason jar, a straw, and some more hearts. Okay, the first thing you're gonna do is roll it up. And then to the end of here, stop. And then grab your hand and put the sock where you put your feet in. And there it is. That's how you make a sock rose. The reason why you have to put the feet part in is because the rolls can be sprouting out like a tree. Okay, here's a finished product of your sock flowers. Make sure to glue a stick on to the bottom side of it. If you're using hot glue, make sure to bring your parent in the process. So to finish the project, you're going to use one sheet of wrapping paper. Here's the finished product. I added some tissue paper and some hearts, and I also added a heart to the lid. You don't have to add a heart to your lid, but I just wanted to add a heart to my lid. So you can give this to your family, friends, or even your BFF. Bye guys! Make sure to subscribe, click the bell button, and give this video a huge like.